Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Trader Joe's Lemongrass Coconut Body Oil with Almond and Jojoba oils. And we kind of use this pretty often. So it's really gentle, light, and like kind of aromatic, and it moisturizes your skin very well without it being too greasy. And I'm just going to go through the ingredients. So they use virgin coconut oil, olive oil, fruit oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba seed oil, and lemongrass oil. And basically the way you apply it is you just put it into your skin and you apply it gently. If the oil gets cold, it might get a little like hard, so you can just like throw it in the microwave for like 2 seconds, or you can put it in a bowl of hot water. So I'm just gonna like put it on a little bit on my hand just to show the consistency of it. So it is like very, very thin. And you can just like put it like on your skin as like a moisturizer. And there. So, the smell is actually really good. It's sort of like an ideal for people who really enjoy moisturizing your body with coconut oil but find the smell or like the greasiness of it a little too overwhelming. So instead you use this bright, refreshing body oil that smells very lemony. Like you could not tell that this is coconut oil at all. And I guess it's because of the lemongrass. And it also has a lot of the other oils that are important for your skin and like super healthy, like sweet almond oil and jojoba oil and olive oil. It's very light and not greasy at all. Like honestly, it's pretty much been incorporated into my skin already. And you can just apply it onto your skin, massage it gently, and then enjoy its soothing effects. If my skin feels really smooth right now, actually. And yeah, I really do enjoy this product. I use it pretty often, and I go to Trader Joe's. I go through these bottles pretty often too, just because there's a lot of us using it in my house, and I definitely recommend it. So if you liked this product, please, you can find it in the link below. And if you like this video, you can just like and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.